Happy Halloween, Biscuit by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli. Pictures by Schories. Come along, Biscuit, said the little girl. We're going to the pumpkin patch. It's Halloween. Woof! Just look at all the pumpkins. Which one should we pick, Biscuit? Woof! Biscuit, where are you? Can you see him?
No.
Woof, woof! Funny puppy, there you are. Let's put a candle in the big jack-o'-lantern. Look, she carved it. Woof! Silly puppy, come out of there. Woof, woof! How do you like my Halloween costume, Biscuit? Woof! Oh, Biscuit, you found your own Halloween costume. Woof, woof! Look, Daisy, it's a ghost. Woof! Meow! Don't be afraid. See, it's only Biscuit. Woof, woof! It's time to go trick-or-treating. What costume is she wearing?
A princess.
Yeah, I think she's a princess. And what about this person?
An angel.
I think so. Yeah. Woof! Who did you find, Biscuit? Bow wow! It's Puddles! Let's see if Grandma and Grandpa recognize us. Knock, knock. Trick or treat. Look, there's a special treat for all of us. Woof, woof.
Yum, yum.
Looks tasty. Just look at all our treats.
Wow.
Halloween is fun, isn't it, Biscuit? Good night, Biscuit. Happy Halloween. I think Biscuit is very tired. The end. Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler. Illustrated by S.D.Shindler. Skeleton woke up.
Hic, hic, hic.
Had the hiccups.
Hic, hic, hic.
Took a shower.
Hic, hic, hic.
Brushed his teeth.
Hic, hic, hic.
Polished his bones.
Hic, hic, hic.
Carved a pumpkin.
Hic, hic, hic.
Raked some leaves.
Hic, hic, hic.
Played with Ghost.
Hic, hic, hic.
Ghost told Skeleton,
Hic, hic, hic.
hold your breath.
Hic, hic, hic.
Eat some sugar.
Hic, hic, hic.
Press your fingers
Hic, hic, hic.
over your eyeballs.
Hic, hic, hic.
Drink some water.
Hic, hic, hic.
Upside down.
Hic, hic, hic.
Ghost made a face.
Hic, hic, hic.
Said boo to Skeleton.
Hic, hic, hic.
But nothing worked.
Hic, hic, hic.
The hiccups stayed.
Hic, hic, hic.
Then Ghost got smart.
Hic, hic, hic.
Found a mirror.
Hic, hic, hic.
Held it up.
Hic, hic, hic.
Skeleton screamed.
Hic, hic, hic.
The hiccups left.
Hic, hic, hic.
They jumped away.
Hic, hic, hic.
Hooray! The end. A Beasty Story by Bill Martin Jr. and Stephen Kellogg. Take a look inside this book. Between the covers, a strange beast hovers. There's the beast. There's a truck. What does it say? Nick's tricks and Hank's pranks. Mischief is our business. I wonder what's going to happen. This way to the dark, dark wood. It's getting darker and darker and darker. Let's light our candles. In a dark, dark wood, there is a dark, dark house. The house is dark brown. I'll write that down. In the dark brown house, there is a dark, dark stair. This is strange, a color change. The stair ahead is dark, dark red. Down the dark red stair, there is a dark, dark cellar. Here the color changes too. The cellar is dark, dark blue. In the dark blue cellar, there is a dark, dark cupboard. What color is it? Can you guess?
Dark purple.
Dark, dark purple. Yes, yes, yes. In the dark purple cupboard, there is a dark, dark bottle. I've never seen a darker green.
Green.
There is something inside the dark green bottle. Jeepers creepers! Oh. Huff and puff and huff and puff. What's he doing? I think he's coming out.
Yeah.
A beast! Oh no! It floats out of the dark green bottle, through the dark purple cupboard. A beast that flies with yellow eyes? Across the dark blue cellar and up the dark red stair. Follow that beast! Out of the dark brown house, into the dark, dark night. It disappeared and left no trace. Can you see where it was? Oh, it's going in the fireplace.
Yeah.
It disappeared and left no track. It's up above the chimney stack. Through the dark, dark wood, toward an even darker house. Into a dark orange room where a white beast rises and grabs him. Whoa, what a surprise! It's Nick and Hank in beastie disguise. There is a flash of light. The room is filled with the sounds of beastie laughter. It was one of Nick's tricks. It was one of Hank's pranks. Now they're having a good time. Oh, Nick and Hank. Oh, and who are these guys? Silly and Lily and Willie and Nilly. Followed by beastie snores. Go to sleep. Aw, that's story time. Good night. I love you. The end.